Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 10 Pro using a bootable flash drive. Let's get started. The first step is to insert your bootable flash drive into the computer. Now press the boot menu function key for the type of laptop you are installing Windows on. On the boot menu, select your bootable flash drive and press enter. Select the Windows setup and press enter. Now select the Windows 10 setup for it and press enter. The Windows file is now loading. Now wait for some minutes for it to get completed. Now you click on the next button, then click on install now. The setup is getting started. Now click on Windows 10 Pro, the one with OEM, then click on next. Now click on the box to accept, then click on next. Select custom. Now select the hard drive and click on delete button, then click OK. Then click on next button. Now the Windows files are now installing on the system and this will take some minutes. Let's stay tuned. Now the window is now restarting. So after restarting, you can remove your external bootable flash. So after the restarting, the installation still continues. Now starting services, getting ready. So let's wait for some seconds. Now the system is about to restart once again. So after the restarting, the installation still continues. Just a moment. Now select your region and click on yes. And let's wait for some seconds. Now click next, skip, then click on I don't have internet. Continue with limited setup. Now type your name or the person's name. Click on next. Now you can skip the password. Then yes, accept. Then click on accept. Now let's wait for the Windows to boot to the desktop, which is the final stage. If you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe, share, like, comment for more updates. Now the Windows 10 Pro installation has finished installing on the system. Kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more updates. In our next video, I will show you how to create a bootable flash drive with WinSetup software. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to follow, like, comment and share this video to go viral. At TSC Computer Tech Solutions, your trusted tech partner. Your satisfaction is our priority.